Chinese manufacturer Xiaomi continues to try to conquer Europe, and at the MWC in Barcelona this week, the company unveiled its new Mi 9. This promises flagship performance for under €500. Here's our first hands-on impression. The headline here is that Xiaomi is only asking for €449 for the standard version of the Mi 9, and the smartphones look really spectacular. The colour gradient on this ocean blue model is created by a nano coating on the curved back. Gorilla Glass 5 is used to protect against scratches. The camera lenses up here are even protected by sapphire glass. For the first time on a Xiaomi smartphone, there's a triple camera. The main camera in the middle uses Sony's IMX586 lens. It's a 48 megapixel. Below is a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle module, and there's also a 12 megapixel telephoto lens for double magnification. The laser autofocus helps to keep things sharp in difficult shooting conditions. Also on board is 960 frames per second slow motion, a hands-free night mode, a studio light mode, a wide-angle super macro, AI portrait mode, and much more. A 20 megapixel selfie camera also offers an AI mode for portraits and sits in a really small notch in the 6.39-inch display. The AMOLED panel is Full HD Plus and covers almost the entire front of the phone. Oh, and the fingerprint sensor is also integrated under the screen. The sensor works optically and was really fast when I tried it out. But what else is there here? Well, there's the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855, 6GB of RAM and 128GB of flash storage. The 3300 mAh battery supports wireless charging up to 20 watts, and it only takes 90 minutes to fully charge the battery. The required charging dock is not included in the box, but at least it supports the QI standard. The Mi 9 is available in selected European countries immediately and comes in 3 colours: ocean blue, lavender violet and piano black. Xiaomi only talked about European pricing during the keynote at MWC this week. The UK prices are still a bit of a mystery to us, but those prices are crazy low for a flagship: €449 for the 64GB version and €499 for the 128GB version. In view of these competitive prices, do you think that Xiaomi has a hit on its hands here for Europe?